Hey there, traders. It's Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. We've got a cherry bomb trade for you today using Amazon, which recently had a 1 to 20 split, which, hey, that's great, I guess, right? If you were just dying to do Amazon, and the main problem for Amazon used to be that it was its price and its liquidity. Now it's just its liquidity. Well, who knows? Maybe there is no problem. Anyway, if you're interested in looking at a short put bullish trade in Amazon with me today, then I invite you to join me. If not, have a wonderful day and let's get going. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. You can see on screen we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading, so you can get all the learning without any of the risk, and you can prove to yourself whether or not you can be profitable trading options in any market condition. So, you can see we're recently coming off of the lows with quite a bounce back right here up to this upper band here, which has me going to make a suggestion I don't think I've made yet in my 2 years of doing this on YouTube. And for those of you looking at my subscriber account thinking he's been doing this for 2 years and that's the number, yeah, it's all right though. When you do something you love, that's all right. Okay, so here we go. What I'm going to suggest is the following. Quickly, let me pop over to my chart here in Tastyworks, where I have this little RSI here. Now, I don't know that these tea leaves are perfect, right? And yeah, you can see the MACD is giving us an upward trend, but I feel like since we're at near that upper band, and this guy here is kind of looping over, I find that like when it loops over, it kind of goes down for a little while. Yeah, it might come back, but looped over, and then, okay, yeah, I could be wrong. But here's what I'm going to suggest. And if you look over here at the market futures, the overnight futures here, NASDAQ in particular, but we're looking like it's going to be a down morning for the major US indices. So here's my suggestion. Wait till it flips. Wait for a green moment, right? And then give it a go. Because if it's starting off this way, of course, it doesn't always mean it stays that way. Market could totally flip by then. But my suggestion is if you can, don't put this trade on until the market flips, right? That's my thoughts. But let's analyze it as it was sent to us, of course. Let's go back to Thinkorswim. Make sure Amazon is typed up here in your ticker box. And let's go to the Analyze tab. Add Simulated Trade. It has us in the July monthlies, which is wonderful. 38 days to expiration. However, I'm wondering, when you see all this lack of open interest, is that because it's just, with the stock split, essentially there are none, or it's already only got 2 drops of liquidity, right? So, either way, the strike that was sent to us in the Cherry Bomb email, which link in the description if you'd like to get emails from Tasty Trade with their trade ideas 4 days a week, then you can always subscribe to the channel. We put them on here and, see what happens. See whether or not just using their trades would be profitable for us. All right, let's go ahead and click on the bid for the 108, which is a 16 delta. I scroll down here, you can see that my defaults have been changed from 10 contracts to 1. Yours may still be 10. I've done a video on how to change that, but I'll give you a hint. You want to go up to this little gear over here. All right, so it looks like we could collect $1.70. You could probably penny that up 2 cents because there's a 4-cent wide bid-ask spread, which just seems crazy tight for something that has open interest of 0. All right, anyway, there is 172. Let's go to the risk profile. In the top right corner where the date is, the date picker, let's match that to the date in blue we see over here. It's July 17th. Did I say 17th? I did say 17th, but I clicked on the 16th. That's fine. That's close enough. All right, let's compress this bottom axis. There we go. And now we can fit the expected move on the screen here. Let's set a price slice to where that red line is crossing the $0 axis right there. Click in here, choose set slices, choose break even, choose July 16th. And there we are, 82% probability of profit with probably a somewhat higher. I think it's like 89% chance of making half that credit. So, $86 would be the kind of money you should be able to easily expect to happen somewhere in the next 30 some days. What was it? 38 days, somewhere in the next 38 days. All right, so let's go back to this trade. Now, my suggestion is, because I think the market's going to drop a little bit this morning, the price will come down a little bit. All right, you know, you could collect more of a credit, but I'd say wait on that. Wait on that a little bit. Thoughts? Love to hear from you in the comments below. I'm going to try to follow my own advice and see during lunch if I can go ahead and put that trade on if the market has flipped a little bit. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Big thumbs up to you if you did. It helps me when you watch these videos to the end. It helps me when you subscribe too. It always feels like, hey, I've been losing subscribers recently. To be honest, got to be vulnerable. All right, everybody. Until I see you next time, may the market be with you.